the last portion of my demonstration of SpatialXL with regards to geoanalytics is target market analysis, and there we will be showing demographics and the relationship to point data. I could do a target market analysis by filtering and theming on different information in this particular map. For instance, let's say I'm developing a market plan that works with the population where there's more than 5,000 people per subplace. So the first filter we apply is going to be in terms of total population, and there I'm going to apply a greater than 5,000 filter, and you can immediately see that certain areas are filtered out. Now we can do another filter that will focus primarily on colored and white people for this particular marketing campaign, and immediately you can see other areas also filtered out. Now we can also geographically limit this particular market campaign. So let's say we're only interested in the client region of Cape Town Coast, and then we're going to select only the groupings of the higher ones. So these areas are applicable to my market campaign. Now we can do a cross correlation to see what customers that I've got already falls into these areas, and I can direct this marketing campaign at those customers. So let's find them on my map and in Excel. So first I'm going to select these particular areas that are filtered down. And then I'm going to do a query here to select those customers. There's 96 areas selected, and I'd like to get the customers that are within those areas. And there in yellow are all the customers that's selected. I can select these in Excel, and now I know exactly who I'd like to target in this particular marketing campaign. So just to keep that information at hand, I'm just going to do a color here for the selected items. Add a column called okay, then I'll apply a filter here by color, and I will mark out the customers that I've targeted. Now I can take my color away, take my selections away, and basically remove my filters. So I can now get back to these customers simply by filtering on this column that I've added, and immediately my result will appear for the specific customers that I've targeted in this particular campaign. And that is how you can use SpatialXL in a specific target market campaign using demographics and your own data. Just to show you another example of theming and demographics used in target market analysis, in my subplaces, I've classified my data so that I get my best performing subplaces out, and I can actually pick my top 20 performers of different subplaces in South Africa, filter, and just to make these areas really stand out, I can load my point theme, And there's my top 20 best performing subplaces in South Africa where most of my sales are occurring. Just as one final mention, another one of our products called SpatialXL works with drive time analysis, and I'm going to display these on the background of Bing Maps. As you can see here, these drive time analyses goes from a center point up to 500 meters, and these different areas are colored by the different meters from that particular point. So I can get different areas where I can now measure where my customers are, and if I turn on my customers, you can see them behind these areas, and I can then do further queries and select these in Excel as well. So you can get particular drive time analyses to do other types of market analysis and look at other areas as well. This is the end of our demonstration. For more information, please contact us at any of these websites. Thank you very much.